Yes, we are live on YouTube as well as on Zoom. Good
Okay,
evening, participants. Welcome to this live session for our course Income Tax Law and Practice. Professor Baboo, Jaiswal sir is with us along with the TAs. So please feel free to ask your doubts. Participants, do you have any doubts? Can you unmute yourself and ask?
Hers, if any doubt you are having, to ask me.
Miss Sakshi Singh, Miss Kushi Kumari.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, then why you joined here?
No doubt.
Please ask something, no? Related to subject or in general related to income tax. If you want to ask, sir, you can ask.
Because this is a
Ready to
very
help.
prominent and relevant taxation of the Government of India. Government of India collects much amount to maintain law and order in this country, as well as social welfare program also. As per the given data of the Government of India, 19% of the total revenue, 19, is collected by the imposing the direct tax by the Government of India. Ashna Singh, Khushi, Sakshi, I invite you all. Please ask me any doubt regarding to the income tax, because income tax is during the study and after the study, during the life and after the life. Income tax is such types of subjects. Each and every person pay the direct tax. Each and every person pay the indirect tax.
Exactly, sir. So
Ashna,
yeah. So,
Kiran
sir,
Bhatt.
maybe we can start with the questions that we received through the Google form, and then we will wait for the students to ask some
Okay,
questions.
okay, sir. Okay,
Can I
sir.
just share my screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. So these are the questions which we received, sir. One from Ms. Arif Pasha. The question simply said related to income tax. We don't know what is the specific thing he wants to ask related to income tax. So we can skip this question,
So,
sir.
Mr. Adit Pasha, income tax is a direct tax. In this country, there are two types of tax which is imposed by the government. First, direct tax, and second, indirect tax. Direct tax is a tax. It is imposed on such types of person by whom it is paid. This types of tax is not possible to shift from one person to another person. And income tax is an example of the direct tax. There are various types of taxes which are the examples of the direct tax. But income tax is a prominent and famous tax of the under the umbrella of the direct tax. Income tax is charged on the income tax. Income on the income. Income tax is regulated under the Income Tax Act 1961. Income Tax Act 1961, Income Tax Rules 1962, having a 298 sections and subsections, including 14 schedules. Including the 14 schedules. Income tax income is divided under the 5 heads of the income. First, income from salary. Second, income from house property. Third, income from business and profession. Fourth, capital gain. And fifth, the income from other sources. Income from other sources is also called the residuary heads of the income. If the compiles of the 5 heads income, then finding value will be treated as a gross total income under section 80B subsection 5. So dear students, after the computing the direct gross total income, the deductions are minus are deducted under chapter 6A. Like from 80C to 80U, the finding value will be treated as a total income. Total income is also called the taxable income. When tax is imposed, tax is calculated on the total income under the new tax regime and old tax regime. New tax regime is also called the default tax regime. Old tax regime is also called the optional tax regime. Default tax regime is given under section 115 BAC of Income Tax Act 1961, Income Tax Rule 1962. So in general, Mr. Arif Pasa, in general, income tax is a direct tax which is imposed on the earned income, and the person or SEC who earned or received the income is liable to pay the income tax on government to the government. As per the new tax regime, up to rupees 7 lakh, up to 31st March 2025, up to rupees 7 lakh, the tax is no need to pay due to rebate under section 87A. But from 1st April 2025 up to rupees 12 lakhs, they no need to pay the volume of the tax as per section 87 capital A. So, dear Mr. Arif Pasa, so in general, income tax is a direct tax which is imposed or charged by the government on the earned income of a person. Any question, Mr. Arif Pasa? Arif Pasa maybe not
Arif
joined.
is not here, sir. Yes, sir. Arif is not here.
Yes,
Maybe we can move on to the next question. This question is by Ms. Kaniksha Chawla, but it is quite
Sir
descriptive,
Murali,
sir.
sir, the questions is so large.
Yeah.
So if you allow me, to then I will send the answer of the all question to the directly Miss Kaniska Chawla.
Yeah, or else what we can request Kaniksha Chawla to post it on the discussion forum so that you can reply to this question, sir. Since it's very descriptive, we will
Okay,
ask
sir.
you to post it on the discussion forum, and
Yes,
then
sir.
you can provide the answer, sir. Like you or TA can provide the answer, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, and the next question is by Mr. Sivakumar. He asked, please explain who can opt for Section 44 AD.
The person who is related to the business of the presumptive. This section is related to the presumptive taxation. Under the presumptive tax business, the contract business are such types of business which is not over during the 1 year. So such types of section is related to the presumptive business. And section 44 AD, section 44 ADA is related to the presumptive taxation. Presumptive taxation is a part of the third head, and third head is called the income from business and profession, which is given under section 28 to section 44 ADA. 28 is the charging section of the third aid, which is called the income from business and profession. So, dear Shiv Kumar, it is related to the 44 AD, 44 ADA, related to the presumptive tax, presumptive business.
Thank you, sir, for explaining that question. And the next question is by Mr. Vinayak Kumar Seth. He is asking whether exam will be online, offline, and where. So I will reply to this question, sir. So exam is conducted through online mode at the
Yes, sir.
TCS Ion Center, and
Yes, sir.
the examination center will be available on the admit card. So you will be
Yes.
receiving the admit card maybe around April 15th, between April 15th and 20th. Definitely you will be receiving the admit card where the examination center details will be available. So that is the
Okay.
answer for Mr. Vinayak's question, sir.
Okay, okay.
So I will just stop the screen share, and we will take questions directly from the students, sir.
Okay.
Students who have joined directly on Zoom, do you have any queries related to the subject? Please ask. Please feel free to ask the questions. Sir is here. Please be active.
Aditi, Ekta, Kiran, Ashnav, Isha, Khushi.
Please unmute yourself and ask.
Murali, sir.
Yes, sir.
No one is responding.
Yes, sir. That's what, sir. Students are a little bit inactive. Let's wait for 2-3 minutes, sir. In case if they don't have any queries, then we will wind up, sir.
Sir, what is the tax treatment of lottery income?
Tax treatment on the lottery income. My dear Hers, the income from a lottery is the fifth head of the gross total income. This is called the income from other sources. And lottery income is called the casual income. As per the rules and provision of the government of India on the casual income, the tax rate is 30%, and including the HEC, health and education says, on lottery income, the tax rate will be 31.2%. Mr. Harris, suppose you have owned the rupees 1 lakh. So on rupees 1 lakh, 31,200 tax will be deducted. After deduction of the tax, you will get the rest amount, which is called the 68,800.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Hers?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any other queries, Harsh?
Sir, let me remind, please.
Please pardon me. Your voice was not clear. Hers?
Sir, I am reminding my doubts. Please give me some time.
So please, if any query or doubt, so please ask me. Khushi? Ashno?
Sir,
Khushi?
excuse
Any
me, sir.
doubt, Khushi? Khushi, any doubt, please beta पूछिए. Ekta?
Yes, sir, I'm having doubt.
Yeah, please. Welcome.
Sir, I wanted to ask what will be the treatment for the loan taken when the house property is self-occupied?
Yeah, very good question. This is related to the section 24, 24B under the income from house property. Dear Ekta, income from house property is the second head of the gross total income. This income is related to the second head, and income from house property is eligible to deduct the amount of interest on such types of loan which is taken for the purpose of construction or purchasing of the house property. Under section 24, subsection small b is allowed to, a person is eligible to take the deduction under this section up to rupees 2 lakh. But this loan should be utilized by the assessee for purchasing of the house property, for acquiring of the house property, or for construction or reconstruction of the house property under the income from other sources. And the income from house property. Under the income from house property, there are two types of houses. First, the houses which are let out. Second, the houses which are self-occupied. So rupees 2 lakh is related to the such types of house property which is self-occupied. Under the self-occupied house property, gross annual value and annual value both are nil. And rupees, if 2 lakh rupees is available for the deduction, so then it will be come in minus figure. And such types of minus figure, rupees 2 lakh, will be eligible to deduct the amount of such types of house property which is let out. Dear Ekta, are you satisfied with my answer?
Yes, sir. Then,
Any
sir,
doubt?
when will be this 30% of net asset? Sorry,
Dear Ekta, 30% is a standard deduction. 30% is a standard deduction. Section 24, subsection small a, from the annual value. Annual value.
net
मतलब
annual value.
under the income from house property, only two types of deductions are allowed. First, section 24, subsection A, related to the 30%. This is called the standard deduction. And second one is income from the interest on interest on loan which is taken for construction or acquiring of the house property.
And sir, when loan will be taken when the house property is let out or deemed let out, then?
Deemed to let out or let out. The total amount which is the total amount of interest which is paid by the assessee or owner of the house property will be deductible. There is no limit of rupees 2 lakh. The limit of or capping of the rupees 2 lakh is only related to the self-occupied house property.
Means
Ekta.
when the house property will be self-occupied, then 2 lakh will be the maximum limit.
Maximum,
And
yes, maximum. Rupees 2 lakh will be maximum.
and when it will be let
But
out, then there will be no
if the
limit.
let out house property, so then there is no maximum. Total amount of interest which is paid by the assessee will be eligible as a deduction. Whether the income from house property, although income from house property will be in minus figure.
And so then what is the concept of this 30,000?
Acha, what is the consequences of 30,000? 30,000 is related to the such types of loan which is taken before 1st April 1999.
Okay.
Before 1999. If loan is taken after 99, so 1999, so the maximum limit of the interest on loan will be rupees 2 lakh.
Okay, sir.
Ekta, any doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Same.
Please ask. Murali sir.
Yes, sir.
Apurva Siri is one of the teaching assistant of this course. Apurva
Oh,
Siri.
okay, sir. Okay. Apurva, good evening, Apurva. Yeah, I remember, sir. I copied in the mail also regarding this live session.
Ji sir.
And I wrote to you, I copied to Apurva and Jyoti also, sir.
Ji sir.
On YouTube, nobody is watching the event, sir. Now, whoever is or on Zoom only, we are waiting for their questions. Once it is, yeah, we'll just wait for a few more times.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is tax holiday?
Tax holiday. First, tax holidays is such types of event. There is no any types of tax is imposed by the government. This types of tax holiday is available for the newly set up business which is established under the special economic zone SEZ or such types of startup which is eligible by the government under the tax holiday. Actually, tax holiday means such types of event in which there is no tax is imposed by the government. First, are
Okay,
you
sir. Thank you
satisfied
so
with
much.
my answer?
Yes, sir.
Ashno Singh. Ashno Singh. Ashno Singh not responding. Rakhi Singh.
Yes, sir. Good
Rakhi
evening,
Singh.
sir.
Good evening, beta. Rakhi Singh, any question have you in mind to ask me regarding to the income tax? Rakhi, you know, income tax is very, very prominent part of the of our country, and government of India is also trying to revise the all types of act and provisions under the new DTC bill 2025.
Right now, I have no question.
Okay, Rakhi, thank you. Dipti. Dipti beta.
Yes, sir.
Are you audible to me?
Yes, sir.
Have you any question in your mind regarding this subject?
No, sir.
Okay. Ashno. Ashno. Murali sir. अब आप please ask.
Yes, maybe, sir, you can discuss about how to prepare for the examination. Since examination is on April 25th, maybe you can give some insights, what questions they will get, how many questions they will get, so whether it will be objective or descriptive type. So those insights you can give, sir. It will be useful for the students, sir.
Generally, as per my knowledge and the demand of the question from the side of the generally the question will be the objective type question. Each and every question having a 4 option, and one option will be right. So, as per my knowledge, as per the instruction of the NPTEL and governing body of this course, demanded to me from my side the objective type of question. So, it may be objective type of question, not descriptive type of question.
Okay, sir. So, any negative marking is there, sir, for choosing wrong answers? Is there any negative marking?
Sir, in my as per my knowledge, there is no negative marking.
No negative marking. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right, sir.
Hmm.
Students, any other doubts related to the subject?
Sir, what is the passing criteria for this exam?
What is the
Passing criteria
The
is
passing
40
criteria.
as per the guideline of the SWAM platform and NPTEL, 40% is needed to get the marks for the pass.
yeah.
And
So
40% is
Okay,
included
sir.
to the assignment and as well as the main examination. 40% and 60%. 40% is, will be assignment and 60% will be the main exam.
yeah, I'll just add to it, sir. Like 25% of the marks we will consider from the assignments. That is, our course is a 12-week course. So best of 8 out of 12 assignments will be considered. That is 25% from the assignment and 75% from the final examination.
Okay.
So both will be put
Okay.
together.
This is the right.
40%
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
40% is the pass criteria, but you should get minimum of 10 in the assignments and minimum of 30 in the examination.
This.
So those criteria are there for receiving.
Kiran
Okay,
Bhatt.
sir.
Kiran
Okay,
Bhatt
thank you,
is
sir.
also associated. Kiran Bhatt, welcome you. Kiran is not right now, not.
The student is joining and then disconnecting, sir. Something, some internet issue
Some due to
from our
network
end.
issues.
Right, sir. Students, we will wait for 2-3 minutes. If you don't have any questions, then we will wind up. So please be active.
Sir, I have a doubt.
क्या रखे?
Like I have left 2 assignments unsubmitted. So is it going to affect my certificate?
Not really, Raki, because since it's a 12-week course, 8 will be considered. Best of 8 will be considered. So even if you miss out 4 assignments, it is not going to affect your score. But for the learning purpose, it is better to submit all the assignments.
Okay, sir.
Right. Thank you.
Apurva, are you audible?
So,
Yes, Ekta.
so in exam, like the questions will be numerical based or concept based. This I wanted to ask.
Numerical and conceptual both types of questions will be there.
Okay, sir.
Ekta, any question?
No, sir. Done.
So in the examination, questions will be similar to the assignment type questions, na, sir?
Yeah. Assignment similar to the
similar to the assignment type questions. Okay, sir.
Ji, sir.
Right, sir.
Jyoti, sir, just I want to explain some experience regarding this course by the Jyoti.
Yes,
Jyoti,
sir.
please
TS can share their experience.
share
with this
your
course.
experience.
Ms. Jyoti and
Apurva.
Apurva. Yeah, Ms. Apurva, please, can you unmute yourself and share your experience related to the development of this course?
Jyoti, explain this.
Yes, sir. I am very obliged to get a chance for being a TA in this course, and it is very pleasure to give me some chances for a TA. And if someone has a doubt regarding this course, please ask free. And in this time, we are going to week 8th, and 4 week is left. Exam will be conducted in June. If
No,
anyone has a
in April. Exam will be conducted in April month.
25th April, yes.
Yes,
25th April.
after course has been completed.
Okay, Jyoti,
Yes, Jyoti.
anything
Thank you.
about this course? Have you pros and cons regarding to this course?
Sir, I think
What are your opinion about this course for the development?
it is a very interesting course because in every year income tax will be slab rates will be changed, various types of provision will be changed, so it will be very beneficial for the students who have been taking parts in this course, because it will be changed, and it is a subject in which various efforts are being made by all of us. And we have been seen that in our recent budget there are so many changes which have been done. So I think it is a very important for every students, because if someone has a basic knowledge about income tax, they can minimize their taxes, and in future it will be very beneficial for all students. So I think it is a very beneficial course.
Thank you, Jyoti,
Thank you,
for your
Jyoti.
nice suggestions and a nice experience about this course. We just know each and every person pay attention. Then the tax volume will be maybe less, maybe less, maybe less. No person wants to pay the tax in happy mood. Each and every person pay the tax, but not in happy mood. Ashno, are you audible? You had not been asked any question. Asno, are you audible to me?
Ashnav, can you unmute yourself? You have any doubts, or else you can post it on the Zoom chat also. So if you have any issues with the mic or speaking directly to the instructors, you can post it on the Zoom chat also. We will answer it.
Sir, what are the powers of Central Board of Direct Taxes?
Central CBDT,
Yes, sir.
Central Board of Direct Taxes, is an apex body of the income tax authorities. CBDT having the power to change the various types of provision regarding to the tax, eliminate such types of provisions which are not relevant at all at the time of imposing the tax. CBDT having to power to transfer the rights and powers to any authority. We can say CBDT having an apex body are responsible to all types of law and order regarding this subject. Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Rakesh Singh,
Yes, sir.
any question in your mind?
No, no, sir.
Ekta Kashyap, have any question in your mind?
No, sir, I don't have. Sir, if I wanted to ask any questions or doubts, then how can I ask for that?
Murali sir?
Yeah, on the discussion forum, you can post it. Okay, I will just share and show how to post it on the discussion forum. If you have any doubts
Yes, sir, please
on the
show.
course discussion forum. So right now, if you have any doubts, you can ask sir directly, or else you can post it on the Zoom chat, or else after this session, no, you can post it on the course platform also. So I will just share my screen and show you how to do that. Just a second, give me a second. So are you able to view my screen?
Yes, sir.
So I logged in as a student. This is a student account. So suppose I'm watching a lecture on the week 8 unit. Say, for example, I'm just watching this lecture. I'm in the middle portion somewhere. So I have some doubts related to this. So simply you go, one second. So there is an option called ask a question. Are you able to see this button, ask a question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So simply click this button and then provide a title. Say, for example, I'm simply going to say computation of income tax from other sources. So this is the heading I'm going to give. And in this thing, I wanted to ask some doubt. Please explain this slide in
Yes,
detail.
sir. Like question, I will type
Yeah,
my.
slide in detail. And then you click post question.
No. Date of payment of interest July 15 every year.
And then if I go to the Q&A, you will be able to view that question which was posted. So I'm just clicking that Q&A. So it is not reflecting here. Maybe it will take some time to reflect here. So that is one method of posting it. While watching the lectures, you have to click that ask a question button and then post it. Otherwise, you can simply click this new conversation. You are able to see, there is an option called new conversation. You click that option and then provide the subject. So simply say I'm doubt. I'm having a doubt in the week 8 lecture 1, something like that you can write. Week 8 lecture number 1, and you can mention the topic also, or is the timing also, so that instructor and TS knows which part of that particular portion you are having doubt. Just a second. So after typing that one, you click post message. There is a blue button. Click post message.
Yes.
So you can immediately see here the question was posted. But the earlier method, when we try to post it from the lecture, while viewing the lecture, it is not getting posted. I don't know, maybe there is some bug. So the second method works. You can see immediately this doubt is posted here. I don't know why it got deleted. Maybe some issue with the this Google Groups. But these are the two ways in which you can post the doubt. So you can see here a lot of doubts was posted by the students, and the TAs have answered all these queries. You can see here. So this is the way you can post the doubts on the discussion.
So this new conversation will be option available where?
What?
New conversation option is available where? On the course page?
Yes.
Oh.
So after the session, you can watch the lectures. If you have any doubts, you can post it here so that sir and TS will respond to it.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank you.
Sir, also we have separate unofficial WhatsApp group where sir clears all our doubts.
Okay. All right. So better to use the platform which we provide so that the enrolled students know it will be easier for everyone if you are discussing the things in the official discussion group rather than a private group. Yes, private group also helps to discuss something in a small group setting. But
sir, it will help other students also.
Right. So better to post it on the post platform so that everyone can view what is being discussed. So any other doubts, Harsh?
No, sir.
Okay. So we will wait for 1 more minute. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, we will wind up the session. Let me check the YouTube, sir, whether any doubt is posted over there.
Ji.
Yes. No, sir. Nothing is posted on YouTube, sir. So I think here also questions are not.
I think sir's lecture are amazing. That's why there are no doubts in students' mind.
Thank you for your comments, Harsh. Hope lectures are really helpful to you.
Yes, sir.
Learning about income
Really
tax.
helpful.
Right. Please go through all the lectures. 4 more weeks are left.
Yes.
So whenever it is released, please go through it, understand the concepts, and do well in the examination.
Sure, sir. Sure.
So, sir, can we wind up the session since?
Okay, sir. Murari, sir.
Yeah. So thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time. Thank you, TAs.
Okay.
Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, you can wish the students
Thank
for
you,
the examination before closing. Please wish the students for the examination and we will close, sir.
Okay, sir. Namaste, sir.
Yeah. All right, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. We are
Thank you,
closing
sir.
the session now.
Thank you, dear students.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to each and everyone.
So I'm stopping the streaming on YouTube, sir.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right.